Alright, we're testing. I have my mic inside. I'm riding my Super 73 for the first time. And I'm just testing out the mic and the helmet. And hope everything works well. Let me see if I can tighten up the camera just a little bit. I haven't used it yet on this helmet, on the Ruroc Atlas 2.0. So I'm gonna check it out. And I'm by my car right here. So I'm using the DJI Osmo Action, and I have it at 2.7K at 60 frames per second. But I also have the rock steady stabilization off because it gives me a wider field of view. But if I like it this way, I'll just keep it like this because I don't think I'm gonna be, all bouncy today. But if it does act that way, I'll just change it. You guys tell me if you like it. All right, I'm gonna cut it off now, and actually, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna cut it off now and then continue when I start riding. All right, so I'm gonna start riding now. I have yet to connect my Super 73 app to my bike for a map ride. Let's see how it connects. I don't know if you can see this, but hopefully it connects. Let me see. Connect. There we go. So I have it on PAS 4. I got 99%. And I'm going to change the speed so you guys can see the speed. Or if I go like this, you guys can see everything. Not sure. I don't need to use the map because I know where I'm going. Does it have landscape mode? I don't think so. Does it? Oh no, there's no landscape mode. All right. Let's see. And I'm using the quad lock mount with the vibration dampener. Hopefully I can pop this in. I just have trouble popping this in. Maybe my hand is never straight. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I do. Look at that. Pretty simple. And let's just turn on the lights. Even though it's going to waste battery, but I live in New York City and there's a lot of cars. The better they see you, the safer you are. All right. There you go. Super 73 RX with my Kryptonite U-lock there, which I'm probably never going to use because I'm never going to lock this bike up. It sleeps with me. All right. One last check. Good. Take the dust off the screen. So much dust on the screen. Yeah, my gloves. I don't think my gloves are... Yeah, you can't touch the screen, but that's good. Less accidents that way. All right, a little brake test. Front brake, rear brake. Let me see. Yeah, that's good. I already filled up the tires to like 29. I can see with my rear view. So let's go. Ooh, haven't been on this bike since like the first week I got it. Oof. Bike path. You guys gonna turn? No? Okay. I think I ran that red light, but I'm not pretty sure because I think it was turning green when I ran it. You can see my mileage right there. Let's stop right here. This is a dangerous intersection. If I don't see where I'm going, good. There goes the sun in front of me. There's a lot of stops on this block. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I don't have the speaker or the microphone off, which will be dumb. Let me see. Yeah, I think I'm good. I use both the brakes at the same time, not just one. I have the Ruroc Atlas 2.0, as I said before, but I also have the Shockwave, which I can actually listen to music and talk to people. So hopefully it works. I can use it, but I'm not gonna do that now. I want to concentrate. Ooh, there's a nice dip right here. Ooh. Yeah, this is a crazy intersection. I don't want to run a red light on this intersection. Oh, the screen turned off. Oh well. The screen should have stayed on. Maybe if I'm using the map, the screen will stay on. At least I'm still recording. I don't know if you can see me, but that's me right there. Oof. Idiot. Guy almost hit me from behind because that car stopped in the middle of the road, and instead of letting me go first, which I was first, he just went through. I gotta lower these mirrors, I can't really see. I'm actually going to my nephew's because I have a gift for him and his kids. You can see better that way. Good. All these speed bumps. I could jump them, but I weigh nearly about 195 pounds. I don't want to break my bike. Feels like I need more air in the tires. Gotta find out which could, I have it at 29. Right here, we're in Queens. And this guy's on an e-bike? I don't know. Looks like he's on a pedal bike. So I also ride motorcycles. If I got my motorcycle videos posted before you see this one, I have a Harley Davidson Fat Boy 2018. It's a 114 cubic inch engine, which for some of you don't know, that's a lot. That's more than I've ridden before. It's like equal to like 1868 cc's, which is ridiculous. But the bike weighs like 700 pounds, so I understand the need for the power. But I love my Super 73 too. It's pretty cool. I keep it in my apartment, so even though I have a garage for my bike, my Harley, I don't trust New York thieves. You shouldn't trust any thieves. Alright. I really don't know what to talk about, but I do talk a lot. So I'm gonna talk about what I talk about. Alright, so I'm at my nephew's place. Let me hopefully he's here. Alright. Let me pull up a little bit. Turn off the bike. Hopefully I don't drop the bike. All right. Should log my ride. I don't think it logged my ride. I may not know how to use this. Alright. I don't think I know how to use this.